Hi, good morning. So next third example. So important. So इधर टाइप पे next examples ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು example perfect ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಉಳ್ಕದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಇದೆ ಟೈಪ್. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ so that equal to pi ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ right. So to prove LHS is equal to RHS. RHS ಏನೈತಿ? So what ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು pi ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕು. So proof LHS ಏನೈತಿ? Integration of 0 to pi by 2 into root of sin theta into d theta into integration of 0 to pi by 2 1 divided by root of sin theta into d theta. Right. So I want to prove LHS is equal to RHS. So right. So take LHS. So ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ integration of 0 to pi by 2 ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಇದು sin ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ 1 by 2 ಐತಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ p ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನೈತಿ 1 by 2 ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಈ p ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನೈತಿ -1 by 2 ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು. To prove this we know that formula integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to p theta into cos raised to q theta into d theta, so that equal to 1 by 2 into gamma of p plus 1 by 2 into gamma of q plus 1 by 2 whole divided by gamma of p plus q plus 2 divided by 2. Exactly this form ಇದ್ರ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಹಚ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. sin ಐತೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ cos ಅನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ take LHS is equal to 0 to pi by 2 so root can witness sin raised to 1 by 2 theta into 1 ಬರೆಯೋದಾ 1 into sin of root is again root of sin theta into d theta into integration of 0 to pi by 2 so it is sin raised to -1 by 2 theta 1 divided by sin raised to -1 by 2 into 1 into d theta in ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಾ into 1 ಈ 1 ಅನ್ನು cos ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ anything raised to 0 x raised to 0 value ಏನು it is 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ anything power raised to 0 is that value is 1 so 1 can be executed. This step is important. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to 1 by 2 theta so 1 can witness cos raised to 0 theta into d theta ಬರಿಬೋದಾ anything raised to 0 that equal to 1 into this again it is this. So first part clear ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ into same thing integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to -1 by 2 theta so this one can be executed cos raised to 0 into d theta. Why? Because it is exactly in the form of this formula. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು that equal to pi ತರಬೇಕು. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So sin raised to p into cos raised to q exactly this form. So ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ that equal to ಇದನ್ನ ಹಚ್ಕೋಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. So ಅಂದ್ರೆ p is equal to ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 2 ಆಯ್ತು q is equal to ಏನಾಯ್ತು 0 ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ p is equal to -1 by 2 ಆಯ್ತು q is equal to 0 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. So that equal to 1 by 2 first part 1 by 2 into gamma of p value 1 by 2 plus 1 ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ p plus 1 whole divided by 2 so this is important ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬಿಡಿಸು ಮುಂದಾಗ into gamma of q is 0 plus 1 divided by 2 whole divided by gamma of what is p value is 1 by 2 plus q value 0 plus 2 whole divided by it is 2 ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮುಗಿತು into second part so again into 1 by 2 gamma of p plus 1 p value is 1 by 2 p plus 1 divided by 2 whole divided by into gamma of so very important q value is 0 plus 1 divided by 2 whole divided by gamma of simplification is very important p value is 1 by 2 plus q plus 2 divided by whole divided by 2 then simplify 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 into gamma of 1 by 2 plus 1 it is a 3 by 2 whole divided by 2 into gamma of it is 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 by 2 plus 2, it is 5 by 2 whole divided by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 multiply into gamma 1 by 2 plus 1, it is 1. So it is 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2, 3 by 2 whole divided by 2 into gamma of it is 1 by 2 whole divided by, so gamma of 1 by 2 plus 2, it is 5 by 2 whole divided by it is 2. Clear? Then so I can write like this, 1 by 4 into gamma of it is 3 by 4 into gamma of 1 by 2. Gamma of 1 by 2 can be written as the root of pi whole divided by is gamma of 5 by 4 into, correct it, into gamma of 3 by 4 into gamma of 1 by 2 is the root of pi whole divided by gamma of it is 5 by 4, because we know that formula gamma of 1 by 2 value is root of pi. I can write this. Then simplify this. So it is n value. So if you extend it is always positive. So I can write like this, gamma of 1 by 4, gamma of 3 by 4 into root of pi into root of pi, it is pi divided by 5 by 4 can be written as 5 by 4 minus 1 into gamma of 5 by 4 minus 1, I can write like this, into gamma of 3 by 4 into divided by, it is again 5 by 4 minus 1 into gamma of 5 by 4, it is minus 1. Then simplify this. Another mistake, p value is 1 by 2, q value is 1 by 2, p plus 1, q plus 1 whole divided by p plus q plus 2 divided by 2 into 1 by 2. Sorry, idu p value is minus 1 by 2. I did mistake. It is minus 1 by 2. Just mistake agittu. Carefully note. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is, so minus 1 plus 2, it is plus 1. So plus 1, but 9 is 3 by 2. It is minus, it is plus 1 by 2. Then remaining as it is 0 plus 1, again it is 1 by 2 whole divided by p value is minus 1 by 2 plus q plus 2 divided by 2. This is right. Then minus 1 by 2 plus 4 plus 2 minus 1 plus 4, it is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. I did mistake. So then correction. So it is minus, it is plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 is 1 by 4. So it is 3 by 4. Then simplify this. 3 by 4 get cancelled. 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Sorry, keep as it is. 3 by 4, it is again gamma 1 by 4, keep as it is. So I can write like this, 1 by 4 into, cancel root pi into root pi, it is a pi. So divided by 5 by 4 can be written as a 5 by 4 minus 1 into gamma of 5 by 4 minus 1. Then action module still positive signature. Into gamma of 1 by 4. So keep as it is. Then so it is 1 by 4 into pi by 4 pi divided by, it is 1 by 4 into gamma of 1 by 4 into gamma of 1 by 4, because we know the formula gamma of n is equal to n minus 1 into gamma of n minus 1 using this formula. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ gamma of 5 by 4 ಐತಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ gamma of 1 by 4 ಐತಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 by 4 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Then so it gets cancelled. 4 get cancelled, only pi, hence LHS is equal to RHS. Same method, either method next examples ಬರ್ತಾವೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್?